Gas servicing is an important part in keeping you and your family safe in your property. In line with your conditions of tenancy, we are legally required to carry out a yearly gas service and safety check on all your gas appliances by a gas safe registered engineer. It is important that you allow us to carry out these checks to prevent any risks of carbon monoxide poisoning, gas leaks or explosions. By ensuring the service is carried out, this is not only keeping you and your family safe in your home, but will also ensure your appliances are working correctly and reducing the risk of higher bills. When your yearly gas safety check is due, you will be sent an appointment by letter, and if you supplied a mobile number, you will also receive a string of texts confirming this appointment and a text to say when the engineer is en route. It is important to ensure you keep to the appointment made, but if you start to develop symptoms of COVID or you are feeling unwell, you must call prior to the officer attending your property, or you could be putting our staff at risk. We will make an assessment based on your circumstances whether we can attend or have to reschedule a visit. When the gas engineer is attending to carry out the yearly gas safety check and service, you need to make sure that the area is ventilated and accessible. Remove any items out of the way and disinfect the area to prepare for the visit. Please open a window prior to the visit, and if you are unable to do this, we will do this for you. When the engineer arrives at your property, they will wash their hands with hand sanitizer and, if required, apply the relevant personal protective equipment for the job. They will then approach your property. Once the engineer has knocked to your front door, they will step back 2 meters and wait for you to answer. The yearly gas safety check and service will only be carried out by a registered gas safe engineer. When you answer the door, the engineer will provide their name, job title and explain the purpose of the visit. They will show you their ID card to confirm who they are. If you are concerned that the person visiting is not from Sandwell Council, you can call 0121 569 6000, who will verify the operative. This could include a gas safe registered contractor acting on the council's behalf to carry out your landlord's gas safety check. If you supplied a password when booking the job, this can be asked at the door. Before entering your property, the engineer will do a final check by asking some simple questions to confirm if you or any member in your household has any COVID symptoms. If it is safe to do so, the engineer will enter the property. They will ask you to keep 2 meters distance at all times. The yearly gas service and safety check can take between 60 to 90 minutes. You will be asked to wait in another room, but may be required to move from room to room depending on the location of the gas appliances within your home. The engineer will inform you when the gas safety check and service are complete. If there is a need to return, they will explain the reason for this and the approximate timescales for the next visit. Once the visit is complete and the engineer has left your property, we would advise you to wipe down all the areas serviced with disinfectant wipes. You will be given the option on completion of the gas safety check to have a copy of the gas certificate sent to you by email or a hard copy sent to you by post. The engineer will confirm this with you prior to leaving your property. Should you fail to allow access or repeatedly cancel your appointments, you will be breaching points 8.1 and 8.2 of your conditions of tenancy under the Housing Act 1985 Section 83. The council will be forced to take legal action against you to gain access to your property. This can be costly and you will be charged if we have to take you down this route.